inkondlo zami siqale vele ngithi ngifuna ukulapha abantu, ngifuna ukuhila abantu. Bengabheka ukuthi ngifuna i-income ngoba ingakho ngibona nginemsebenzi o-straight, umsebenzi wezandla. Ipoem nje yinto nje ukuthi ngilapha abantu, ngisa abantu kuphela.
So like when I'm ukhalisa abantu kanje, does it ever come pain kuwe or it's just
Angaphini.
ha?
Akunayo phela umuntu oshonile angimazi sazana.
Wena usengumsebenzi.
Angimazi sazana umuntu engizela ukuthi kenza ukhala. Hey.
Awukhona ngene shop uthi ngipha kancane Tommy uye. Yo, ngene Tommy. No, bayakhomba and it's like oh my god. Sekumele ushuthe manje, sekumele usmile ay guys. It's a lot.
Lapho ngithi
Yeah, we're trying to discover like le side le ongabonisa abantu.
yabo ngisho noma kuthiwa umuntu uyangazi kancane ukuthi umuntu abone lela side ngoba iside likhohlakele. Yabo side likhohlakele ngakho nje noma kuthiwa umuntu uyangetha ubele ngihleke ungamthatheli ekhaya.
So vele it's true when they say empilweni failure is because of fear in a way.
Yeah.
Because uhluleke ngoba usaba.
Bo mosaba vele akukho la uzoyakhona.
Uthando bafethu sometimes liza kanzima. Because mose semncane ngibakhulume nawo, sometimes ngihlala nawo phansi.
Ngizowriter futhi. Balela abantu ingoma.
You ghostwriter?
Yeah. Yabo.
Balesha.
Yabona ukuthi usithanda ingoma zakhe zimnandi kanje la
Uthando. Yabona nje sizadla
Hayi Isikhathi esiningi baphezulu usengidonsa ama-line ngoba into engayibhalanga. Zama ukukhumbula ukuthi okay lo muntu ushonephi, ushone kanjani. Abangiqasha ngibuza ushonephi, ushonile kanjani. Hayi bamazi ngana ngikufake. Yabona ngozoqala ukuthi lo muntu
emhlabeni uthi bona uphimbo lumnandi if umuntu oculayo.
hayi if umuntu obeyadubula abantu ozothini.
Isafuna ukusibuza ukuthi
Iqhatheni nabantu kanjalo. So ngithi hayi
Umuntu mayemshela uyabuye ungamazi, uya-attractor physical nge-appearance. So you still want to know ukuthi umuntu onjani, how do you think, how to behave, respectful. So we just make conversation. We
Mama
decide.
ke ungathi tell me about yourself. Actually ngitholayo mina ewuyendi yabafana. Because girls are like, namu sharp, it's all nice. Umfana nani ntombazana khona umbhedo le endlini.
Uthanda ukuthi sha.
Yeah.
Bona uzwani nesikole.
Ayo, ngeke 7 years. Ngeke yo 7 years. Uqamba manga lapho uthi no, he's not guilty. 7 years.
what's cool YouTube, it's your boy Infinity Peace. You guys know the vibes. If you don't know the vibes, you know the sides. If you don't know the sides, then so be it. So guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Infinity Talks. As you know, we bring you nothing but the best and the best indeed. And today's best, obviously, it's a new panel, guys. So guys, can you guys introduce yourself
Ladies first, it's not gentlemen. Come on.
Ungafuna ukukhudleka.
That's good. Okay.
Oh why? Imboka ehlukumezekile le. Yeah, phelele lapho i-intro yami leyo.
Why mfethu sikhulume isilungu vele?
Yeah, okay, khuluma. Angisho yimi ngisho intro ngesilungu.
Mina ngina intro ke ngizacabanga ukuthi ngithi ngubani ngoba bayangifuna. Hayi amantombazana. Ngisho amaphoyisa. Magic the Order out wonke ama-social media platforms. Yeah.
And guys, it's your girl Dora Connect Explore.
Bese la khala bemgeza nje kusena.
Khala bamgeza. Emile wenza so. Yini na mawageza ngiyakhala.
So guys, as you guys can see, everyone is already comfortable. Yo, konje nsenga khuluma English.
Khuluma.
Yeah, I'm saying khuluma.
Awubeke isilungu.
Ngiyisa. Bafowenzani kanti sikhulumile kahle.
International podcast, bafethu, international podcast, so we must balance languages.
So yeah, guys, today's interview Imbongi. ehlukumezekile Mbongi
shwele
so Bhutesha ngazo ngayicala usitshele ngawe nje kahle kahle ukuthi ubani okuyapi wakabani
okay
Suka
uye ehlukumezekile sathi mina ngiyakhala manjezo uye ehlukumezekile
yeah
hayi umfana nje omncane kodwa iminyaka azizange ngizenza ID so nje iminyaka ngiyibala igama uJunior wakalanga manje waselokishini hlala ngase-Vosloorus elokishini ethiwa iPhumula mara abantu abaningi abayazi iPhumula so ingakho ngithi ngiphuma ngase-Vosloorus indawo edumile but-ke mina dume egama elithi Mbongi ehlukumezekile
yeah ingani udume ngale gama kahle kahle like yazi mina I've always wondered like ukuthi ishuthini Mbongi because I'm not Zulu bese ngiyisho nami ngoba ngibona ibhali
hayi khona la abafunde kakhulu bathi traumatized poet yake ngifunde kakhulu lesingisi hayi basohlule na usingisi ngazi-ke mina ukuthi ngichaza ngithini
traumatized poet
poet
so everyone who calls themselves Imbongi that means they are traumatized
not
poet Imbongi chaza ukuthi poet
yeah
ehlukumezekile khani kuba igama zabo traumatized abo happy abo broken poet infinity poet
so when how did it come about ukuthi kube ehlukumezekile
bona nami kuyinqathe but bengu-junior the poet
yeah
so ngabona ukuthi maqala ungena ku-YouTube usearch junior the poet baningi abantu and kuba labantshita lawa belungu ngawo wena umuntu omnyama yebo so wena futhi ngapho uyaqala sasina-1 view mara sona 3 months upostile so awukho luluza nibakuthola kwento ekanjalo so kuhamba isikhathi ngakho ngiphusha but isikhathini esiningi ngibhala ama-poem anokuhlukumezeka phakathi so yaqala isigela kuwumuntu amanathi hayi bo wena inkondlo zakho zonke zinokuhlukumezeka then mangena ku-Facebook, TikTok but okay abantu bazibiza ngembongi bese imbongi ijabulile imbongi lapha imbongi wathiwathi that's all sithi ngithanda ukubhala ukuhlukumezeka shuthi imbongi ehlukumezekile yaqala lapho.
Okay, we're gonna come back to the poetry part. Asicale kule ukuthi uJunior
yebo
wawuphi wase lokishini eForce
yebo
Sefuzo
ukuphi khaya like kwezo
eMpumalanga
eMpumalanga manje njengoba useForce to represent iMpumalanga
yebo I represent ikhasi labo ngisumumuntu emakhaya
manje ukhule like nobaba nomama
boyithu baba nomama khulele emshadweni
because like ngizama ukunderstand le dynamic ukuthi ehlukumezekile because uzibiza ngembongi ehlukumezekile like you'd expect ukuthi somebody on a single parent or something like that
hayi lutho kanjalo angithi mara nanoma kahle mawuyimboni impilo uyithathe ngendlela ukuba ipoet yabo because ukuhlukumezeka danini uhlukumezeka ngendlela right uhlukumezeka kabi yebo chaza lokho noma usothandweni uhlukumezeke ngendlela right izakhe ihlukumezekile but ngendlela right azilungu you understand kanjani
jabulile injabulo ihlukumeza
ukuhlukumezeka kodwa ngendlela right that's why uma uyimbongi awucabangi njengabanye abantu abacabangayo yebo imbongi understand ukuthi ungaphuma la endleleni ishaya
njengawe ne
so mina ngifuna understand ukuthi njengoba uyimbongi a poet are you doing storytelling ezabanye abantu or most of the time you're talking about yourself
angikhuluma ayekho shane-one ekhuluma ngami so kuyinto nje mhlawumbe umamela ingoma qhamuka ipoem bala mhlawumbe omunye sicela ubhale ipoem usibanibani
why
ngami wayengakhulumi ngami angifuni abantu bangazi
why
angizazi why ngafuni but angithandi ukukhuluma ngami
there's irony in there because ukhuluma imbongi ehlukumezekile but akakhulumi ngayo most of the time umuntu okhulumayo anifuna ngathi ufihla ama-emotions Yeah.
Now I feel like when you don't talk now, you're bottling emotions.
Yeah, you're bottling something.
It's like you're hiding something to the people. Why? What are you hiding?
Hey, we're cold, man.
Sengamenza vente.
Ukholo. Igama ethi ngohlukumezekile hayi ukuthi mhlambe iqhamuka ekuthenini ngihlukumezekile empilweni bese ikhanya ngabembongi akusilokho.
The name is not the person.
Yebo, yabo ikanjalo nje. Bathi nje mina ngikhuluma ngami inkondlo zami ayikho neyodwa ekhuluma ngami.
Because already like abantu understand inkondlo zakho bayazibona every day and here they see yonke into iposta. Here we're trying to discover like le site lelo ongalibonisa abantu yabo lela abantu abangaliboni lelo ungalipost every day lelo livela like abakwaziyo empilweni yakho to bring you closer to your fans.
Ngisho noma kuthiwa umuntu uyangazi kancane ukuthi umuntu abone lela site ngoba isite likhohlakele. Yabo site likhohlakele ngakho nje noma kuthiwa umuntu uyangetha uvele ngihleke ungamthatheli ekhanda because ngale lela site ngikhohlakele. That's why anginabo nabangani abafuna abangani.
That's why ngihlukumezekile.
Hayi cha ukuhlukumezeka. Okay ukuhlukumezeka chazela mhlawumbe ngidle igama yahlukumeza intombazane grade 8. Yebo ngijula nayo so umuntu romantic but nenhliziyo yabo so ngithanda ukuspenda every week endlini bengibahlupha endlini crazy azi kushoda in lapha esikoleni ngiconga kanti ngobheje yabo so intombazane kanti ke khona into ezikhuthana yabo kodwa ezikhuthana afika ngifana neRM afika RM yakhe intombazane khona yabona nje wenza into lezi habi intombazane so funda naye grade 8 same class same desk grade 9 funda naye same class yebo so ngafila grade 9 ngibona ukuthi usayafundisa lapha imaths yangishaya into leya ngimbuza kanjani mntwana uzokwenza ingakho ngimlahlile uyabhayiza yabo so ngafila grade 9 understand ahamba ekambeni kwakhe ngagcina sengibona number 1 sikela sonke maths ne-NS ngase kuba number 1 siba ngisebukomathu nana grade 10 so ngiyacabanga ukuthi igama laqala grade 9 uzila ngaqala khona ukuduma grade 8 ngisasiwa negama e-primary junior depot then grade 9.2 ngathi grade 9 square season 2 bese season 2 lapho esekhaleke sedumile ke mbongo
manje ungasho ukuthi like bekuyini ekaffectile ukuthi uzokwazi ukufail esikoleni
akwazi ubuzo say and futhi uzama ukugcwalisela umntana uzama ukugcwalisela umntana into ozenzayo yabo awusabehave ngakho ngizayiswa
so vele it's true when they say empilweni failure is because of fear in a way because uhluleka ngoba usaba
yebo mosaba vele akukho la uziyakhona
nendaba nokuthi loyo muntu uzothi indaba nokuthi abantu bazothini vele ngeke kwenze izinto
ezibhakayenza
so when I treat kanjani like going back to the same grade seeing the same people like different learners but same teachers same desk same team
ngiyacabanga naye sathi ke ngamtext ngifunda grade 11 imbuzo nje impilo yabo because kuna grade 11 ufuna grade yabo so umtext bese ngidumisikhela sonke ama school wonke
because of the poems
because of ungithile yena so sengimthetha ekuthenini uyabona le pain onginikeze yona ukuthi iveze le latha nje into ebelifihlile noma
uvalo lapha
noma ingenza ukuthi ngigaine empilweni naso ngesinye isikhathi mangitshela abantu ukuthi ipain oyizwayo ithatha ube step sakhe sokufikisa la ufika khona.
I always say ukuthi
sorry kanjani
people are motivated by different things. Abanye abantu motivate imali, abanye abantu ba motivate i-heart rate, abanye abantu motivate
manje ngithiku ngathi baqhubeka amantombazana bayenza abafana ne
abafana bayenza amantombazana masiphat
nani niyamotivate
yes motivate example amazibulala awuthetheni babona ngasothi wow
manje
sokubonisa ukuthi le kheka kuselaphiwa
anike bafuna
abantu abafunayo
Alright. So ukuduma kwakho udumise ukuthi like imfundo zakho ukuthi mawuphuma kuqala uvele udumise ukuba ipoet.
I understand
like into kenzo waziwe kuzo zonke igoli
was being a top achiever.
oh isikela nje angiphiwanga okay ngiphiwe mhlawumbe ukuhlanipha isikela but akusiyo into yami
Ayithandi.
so nje bathi bangibiza nakhona bokomat ngaya grade 9 grade 10 mangiqhubeka at the time abakhambani akali ithemba lami yafuna ungibona ngifundile bo Einstein nabathi leyo ndlela cha
Einstein
hayi cha leyo ndlela leyo then ngaqala ukudropa vele esikoleni
maka like isupport yabazali benjani uceda ukufail because setback is a big thing
hayi mangifeyila mina abazali nabazothi imbongi nanani bengakabi khona kubazali yabo so ifeeling kwami uthi failile umntana futhi yenza mistake phela ngashala lapha
I accept nje
basethe nje failile kusabazali aba strict ngaleyo ndlela so nje ba accept okay ufailile but lo nyaka siyacela
zama futhi
then babonake siyenakho umntana sayabiza uyakuphi kanjani
K9
grade 9
point 2
in season 2 Mawuthi point 2 menza bemncane season 2 nama episode 4 term 1 term 2 term 3 term 4 wayebo bengisha ku repeat ahlahle ethi ingoma emnandi yaphila
yeah
so lo sebe
but
yakufunda
then I can imagine the feeling like yabona uceda ukufela but something else empilweni is moving higher it's like
kanti le nto leyo yacabanga yengenza ukuthi ngingabi traumatized
yeah
cause bengasafocusanga ukuthi ngiphinde igrade kanjani ngisho nabo mem yabo moseklasini isikhathini esiningi ngithe ngifika grade 10 ngithola khona amajita afekile umem mabuza something esingayazi thina siqeda ukufika uthi nina lapha eniphindana yazi lento lesitshelini but kimi akazi ube khona into leyo game nje bethi mangifunda nje bangithathe umntana oqeda ukufika naye umem bonke bangithanda one time shilo umuntu okube mistake ukuthi afike kanti abazi ukuthi hey
it's the talent I think it's the talent teachers like give like our teacher they give you respect when you've got something can you realize
Yeah.
Teachers
If they see your talent there, they see something.
besides you failing whatever like singafela sonke C4 seclassini eliwane maka mababona ukuthi hayi umbongo le talent elizothi bazomzwela bamkhulume kahle futhi ukwenza kanani then wena uyafela usihlangene navele
Afundi.
and umuntu wazi ngafile umuntu bayangifundisa kuphela umem bonke nje angikhulumi memaywana ngibuza ukuthi wena sasela ayi
Does that mean going into the scale?
umuntu ohloniphayo umuntu othulile so hayi angikwazi
Bakunotice kakhulu.
hayi phuma esikoleni angaze ngiyilwe angaze obe nothisha nje nase primary phuma nje angaze biza umzali kimi kuthiwa kune case kanakho wenzeni angazi
yeah then how wena
When
No.
you shop.
Like I need to like I was good, but I guess to that extent.
Well, both don't.
When you cost of getting rights,
Bonga kudla botisha.
mix. Bazobuza abantu emfuna la high school ukuthi bayokudlana.
Qala manje asiphaphe.
Ani phaphe bona why you relate?
Ngusindaba la ngisho why yokito posta ngathi ukhuluma nami. Hayi. Athi ukhuluma nami.
If the shoe fits.
Oh, sisi good list.
I'm seeing good list guys. Seeing good list.
abantu babona kanjani
Afethu sihlelo umuntu onama-followers abaningi ku-TikTok uyasigudla. Libe
because abanye bayasaba nokunga-approach abacanga ukuthi oh wena uzosiphaca and it's like guys lo muntu osuke asefonini ayenza ivideo akusulo muntu ozodibana naye
and you seem so sweet
I am bandla
like real life
I know ngikudlala like kulesi khathi ngibe nani naso ngikudlile
ukudlile bayakhuluma nawe
ngikudlile nomanga
Ngiyabuza.
ngikudlile mina
Ukudla.
Yabo ngikudla.
Sengiyasaba ukukhuluma ngozonkulu.
Uzophinda.
Uzongiphinda.
Samele reason.
Yeah, sorry.
Abantu nje abarelate guys ikelana ukurelate. Stop relating.
How does
Uma
it
relate inkinga yakho leyo.
How does it feel ukuthi mawuhamba nje emall TikTok eyaziwayo abantu bayachama? Yebo. Yabore.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Yasikhathele.
Awukhona ngene shop uthenga impahla kancane Tommy uye. Yo, ngene toilet Tommy uye. You know, bayakhomba and it's like oh my god. Sekumele ushuthe manje, sekumele usmile ay guys, yeah. It's a lot.
Lapho yethekile sekumele usimali.
Yeah,
Does it feel the same nakuwe?
Hey, mina kimi hazima ngitshela indaba. Kimi kancane ukuthi umuntu angibone ukuthi imbongile. Yabo, because TikTok ngiyasmile. Kodwa nabantu bangisaba angazi why. Omunye azathi mhlawumbe akusuyi. Abakhona omunye bayaxoxa ngemboni ngihleli khona ebhasini, sebhasini eli1. System Cape sonke. Bayaxoxa. Hayibo Chomi ndiyohaya base bamaXhosa. Bathi ndiyohaya pha yazi benifisa usathi bengahamba nemboni. Okay? So mina ngqondweni yami utshela amakuthiwa imbongi edumile vele ngishaya isifuba ngithi ayimi loyo. Bathiwa khona abantu abalapha phansi. Imbongi edumile kodwa eziphansi kusuke kuyimi loyo. So akhuluma intombazane athi khona lembongi lethanda ukuhaya emncwabeni ebhisi mama ngithi hayibo ukhuluma ngami la lo muntu uhleli la. Okay, sambe then endleleni ngithi hello right athi ya ngijabula umuntu okhuluma ngaye mazi ukuthi ubani athi angimazi ngikhipha ijezi then mangikhipha ijezi ithi nakho yimi imbongi ehlumezekile athi akusuke shoot unethwini ngithi lutho so nasemamall makuthiwa ngiyahamba zobe zakhomba lo yelo hayi akusuke lo siyamfanisa.
But that one time abakubonile bamnotice ukuthi uwe.
Yeah, bangivimbayo. Ingakho futhi nemoto ngibrandile ukuthi bazobona bangamfanisi babone ukuthi uye lo ungathiwa ngizenza yona imbongi ehlumezekile. Yebo. Ikanjalo nje.
Don't you think that makes it like ikufaka engozini, puts you at risk just to put your face out there emotweni?
Impilo very risky. Into uyazi empilo nje vele risk. Umuntu akuzondela ukuthi umuntu uzithulele. So nje kanjalo.
I'll relate wena uthula.
Hayibo.
Sikuzothelita khona.
Ngizondela amaqiniso wenu mina engawazi. Ngizondela amaqiniso wenu engawazi mina.
Yabagudla abantwana baba.
Angibakhulumi yibo abagudlekayo wena kudleka.
Content creator. Bing. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi ngihamba lapha ku yini lentaba.
Stock.
Yeah, bengcheka ukuthi sothina nobani namhlanje and khona into engibonile. Ngibona isandla sendoda lapha kuma highlights wakho.
Thank you.
Highlights.
Hey.
Highlights wami.
Yeah.
Sandla sendoda. Isombe sakho ngenzela kade.
Angifuni ukuchaza uyathola.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Wasiphi igama lakho?
I'm joking. It's something I saw, and I don't know if I'm gonna be stepping over boundaries, but when to post that we are posting, you don't even hide it. I saw a mark here, and we are tools, but I want you.
Oh,
I want to ask you-
operation.
Yeah, I want to ask you about
Appendix.
What?
appendix.
Operation appendix.
In appendix.
Like it's something that has to do with your intestines.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah,
Lapho mina ngithi uyetheki. How?
Taking against
Yeah,
the
ngithambe wakhipha la faka la. Ayishaya BBM.
I'm going to small take ubanika but the appendix. And then there's a 3, 4. Yeah.
So how do you deal with it? Ukuthi because ngiyabona ufaka ama crop top ngiyifaka ngishoot and like
Ekuqaleni bengifihla because usuyahamba strategy ngibona lo muntu usi. Ufuna ukuyibona usilento icalaphi iphelelaphi makanye ngaza kubuza. So bengihide ekuqaleni but then as time went by I'm like hey man akuseniwa nona lesika so why hide?
Usiqale primary?
Yeah, like grade 4.
Oh.
wayenza operation grade 4.
Yes.
Babula.
Yeah, obvious. Before, I think I done 3 or 4 months as well. Yeah.
No.
I used to tell one more grade 4.
No, pass.
Yeah, no pass.
Sure.
I also would tell 2.
Ngamagugu.
Okay.
Hawu makhulu.
Umuntu wafunda unyaka wonke pass.
Term 1 nje kuphela.
So, sebenza ngani wena ke? Sakubona la content creator, amagigi, ngeke ngezwe nje kuma amagigi, yini ama brands, yini Jesus saves. Free promo.
Actually, Jesus saved. Graceful living, yeah. Graceful living.
Yeah, when you forget brand no save.
Yeah, like printed but come a brand graceful living.
So we ambassador.
No, one is my co-influencer.
What?
Okay.
My co-influencer.
Michael,
like ngile phansi ngafika mihlali nabusindi nandani sisi.
Ubani umbekayo uthi hayi mangafika la kulo.
Akekho.
So akekho inspire.
Akekho.
Yeah.
Akekho. Cause inspire umuntu engayenzi into efana neyakhe. So inspire kanjani?
akekho umuntu enza into afana neyakho apha.
No, I don't think there is. Most of my creators are in YouTube, vlogger. If that's not the case, we're podcaster. Jay, yeah, but at the moment, again.
Oh, akekho umuntu okudla naye nelapha phezulu. Shothi abantu abakudla naye bayaphilela lapha.
No, they've got a lot to lose, I think.
Yeah, I think brand name.
Because sometimes she can say something like, hey, and indoda yakho wathiwa athirent imoto yabo mase on top. It's like ukhuluma ngo-ghost through in a way.
Oh, yeah.
Loyo muntu
Ayikhona, but kudala usimiyakudlana.
No, I'm just saying if you would bring that content like continuously kanjani everything njengayo.
Because she does it all the time.
Kuzoba ngathi ukudla abantu one by one.
Happens ifana ne-reactor.
Yo muzi
sonabile beka-reactor.
Yeah, kuzoba ngathi kanjani.
Kumele kudla abantu.
Kuzoba ngathi
bazokudleka. If wena uyakudleka, gcoka isicathulo.
Yeah, but I feel like ukuthi ufike kule level oyishoyo leyo level you gotta do that.
Yeah, like kumele mention someone just for attraction.
No,
yeah,
That's a new piece.
But that's true. For example, if we share a poem, there's always that one word you need to involve with someone.
To so that you're good, you want
azifana nothini kuyenza something itrend yabo njengoba isila ngambuza ngenye poet phezulu kwakhe ngithi wena mawucabanga umuntu uyakuhlula na impendulo yakho iyezoyenza wena ukuthi trend the way you answer that question uthi hayi umfana kabi loyo clip eseyasho ukuthi le ntwana imbongi ithi abantu bani umfana sebakufaka lapha sebakufaka endaweni ezikhulu. Yes, but I feel like in life you sell yourself.
Do you feel like you ever competing with anybody kule game poetry?
Yeah, bakhona bazama ukukhompyutha. Angazi mina ngikhompyutha nomuntu.
Mina mina ngiyaziyenzela.
Wena wenza
Hayi lutho mina ngikhompyutha ngabazama bona ngithi bafuna mhlawumbe ukuthi ngibanaki. Ngikwazi banaka. Ngoba yakholelwa amandla wendoda awafani. Shona njengemima ilingani. So ngakushaya namhlanje kusasa uphinde ngishaye. So yabo ukuthi ngidlule namhlanje usho ngidlula forever.
But like your fans draw a lot of comparison. Like sanokuthi I've seen comments on your videos where like how you never be son of the soil.
Sure.
Yeah, yayibona ke futhi leyo bangikompara nomjito. Okay. Lelo gama lelo bachaza ukuthi umuntu olaphayo bathi kukhona nomuntu ozibiza lo gama. So mina bengithatha izif maba comment lapha thatha izif bafuna bathi uthi ngilo mjita lo ya ngithi cha angisuki mina ngimbo bathe ake kube uyi abanye bathi cha lo muntu olethe inkosi uzosilapha yabo so I thought ngisicompare naye ushaya isinspani yabo yena mangathiwa futhi ucheck ama-followers wakhe nawami akufani futhi
amandla wamadoda
awafani ukhuluma angazi isuthu or iSpedi ukhuluma isiZulu
yeah that was like nami ngibonelo
ake ungithole futhi ngithi ngisemngcwabeni sengikhuluma iSpedi shaya ispanisa
ambe
amapeli asiyalume saying like umzulu ake ngafike lapha sekayenza into engayazi sekashaya
but why do you think fans do that bacompare nomuntu okhuluma even a different language from you
angithi mhlambe tothi ngibone wenza something let's say umjita adlala ibhola nje ngithola ushaya iskill
yeah
ushaya ipower kole skill lesithiwa ipower ushaya so that mina bangifika futhi phambili ngifika ngifuna ukushaya ngepower abantu bathi hayi ngoba mina sengibone kulo uneke kube ngcono kunalo noma ngifuna ukutshontsha istatus kalo kanti akusilokho mina bengingamazi asazani imali nje mina sengimletha kimi oh khona umuntu kanje beni kanjani
so when I don't take like awinaki kakhulu lento attention le
ngiyenza ukuthi ngibe phezulu kakhulu waqala nje ukhuluma uqala ukhuluma obhedayo ngamaye iyangikhuphula
ndebheda yabo
khona le video lena 12 million views
yeah
khona wafika ngigudla lapha wathi yona wenza umbhede emngcwabeni umunye wabuza ukuthi isikuphi isidingo sembongi emngcwabeni
yeah nami ngifuna
baba khona umbuza ukuthi isikuphi isidingo somfundisi emngcwabeni yabo sebalwa bodwa bali nabo
ama-comments ayagcwala ama-views
anginawo amandla okulwa nabo then ngiyakhuphuka
kanjani nami sengiyabuza like isidingo sembongi emngcwabeni
okay isidingo sembongi according to mina uthi wani emngcwabeni bengakaze futhi ngiba nenqondo ukuthi ngifuna wasemngcwabeni bengizenzela inkondlo zothanda ukuthi bangishiyile nani yabo konke lokho then aba khona umncwabo engabizwa ku yolo 12 million views ubusi so mangifika lapha yana ngaphema khona futhi nje wabhali bese ngikhulume nje of the blue
yo
so nje
that's talent
Rutsaled baba.
angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ke lapha abanye bathi mhlawumbe ngiyaprofeta angiprofethi ngeke futhi ngiprofethe yabo so into enzakalayo ke mangifika emngcwabeni ngifike ngiyahaya ukhaya kwami yabo njengami kancane ukuthi ngibe nento ezongikhalisa noma kuthiwa ngenzani angeke ngivele ngikhale nje kalula so ngacaba hayi ngokuthi indoda ekhali
le heartbreak
inyembezi zami ziphuma kalula kanti umuntu onenyembezi ezingaphumi kalula uyashesha ukugula yabo ngoba ukukhalela ngaphakathi uyashesha ukugula yabo so yasuka lapho ke indaba ngithe mangifika kulo mngcwabo loyana wakhala abantu abakhona icomment ethi waze wangilapha angisumuntu othanda ukukhala but ungaphila ngazile ukukhala that day high blood yami uthi uyehlile nani kunika izinto ezishintshile athi shothi ukuhamba kwami makukhala abantu umuntu alapheka makakhala uyashesha ukuhila entweni yabo bale noma kuthiwa ushonelwe umntana bese indaba yakhona bacala ingane yakho injani uqala yakhala shothi awukhalanga enough so kuza wami lapha ukuthi ngikwenza ukhale futhi ukhalisise
so basically they calling you ukuthi come make us cry, let's cry it all out.
Make us feel it. The deeper meaning of it.
Ingakho ubona inkondlo zami ngikhuluma sengathi lo muntu ushonile. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu usuka kimi akekho kimi kusuke nje into engicabangayo.
Bro, like how many funerals have you had?
Yo.
But you can see like he doesn't write.
No, but I'm just thinking like, you know how much I hate funerals, bro. Angizwani nje nomncwawo dog like yo mangicabanga umuntu okumele emngcwabeni for umsebenzi fana nomuntu osebenza emshaka kumele ubone isidumbe ungafuni every day.
Bengicela nje lokutshela uMagreza yabo njoba thiwa manje ngihambe emngcwabeni ngaka bakuthiwa mina ngishonile kumele wazi ukuthi kumele uvale istrata sonke lesi wabantu abazozala abaningi miningi ngabe ngihambile malo ishonke Eastern Cape ngiyeka ifo anginahlobo anginalutho Eastern Cape kodwa ngiyeka ifo lokho is5 la speak nje wangini lokho is5 Eastern Cape KZN Mpumalanga sonke le ndawo lezi emncwabo nje
yo. So like when amawukhalisa abantu kanje does it ever come pain kuwe or it's just
angaphini
ha
akunayo pain umuntu oshonile angimazi sazana
wena usengumsebenzi
angimazi sazana umuntu engizela lapho uthi kenza ukhala
But that's deep, boy.
Oh boy.
ngifuna nje ukhala emungakhalanga ngazibona ukuthi hayi ngibe weak here kule shoot angishanga khona.
But it's like the way we express ngakhona ne. It's like you're feeling everything ifamily feel.
Kanti lo angifeel lo yabo mangibheke phezulu manga notice mangilokho ngiphinda iline bese ngithi mntanami ngishiyeleni ukhamba wakhe ungiyeza ukuthula mntanami ngishiyeleni ngisengidonsa amayamalayo ukuthi hayibo amalaya nalahleka wena utshotha istyle nje mina ngigijimisa amalaya ngithi
But that's what natural poets do, like.
yabo ikanjalo
Sometimes you repeat when you're trying, but the rhythm that you do it in, your flow.
yabo wena ungazi utshotha hayi istyle noma indlela abhaleka kanti akubhalanga lutho noma uthi mhlambe ilo muntu oshonile ukhuluma through mina ngithi lutho.
But are they paying you?
Yeah, bakhona badalayo bakhona bangimayo.
No, but like I imagine
This guy goes to Eastern Cape.
Okay nomela abanye balento le ukuthi hawu hayi ngibhadala ukusuka lapha yakhohle ukuthi isikhathi sami ngale la ngibiza ngalo mhlawumbe nginegig elizobhadala yabo konke lokho khona bengafuna ukubhadala but anginankingi inkondlo zami siqale vele ngithi ngifuna ukulapha abantu ngifuna ukuhila abantu bengabheka ukuthi ngifuna i-income wona ingakho ngibona ngumsebenzi o-straight umsebenzi wezandla ipoem nje yinto nje ukuthi ngilapha abantu ngilisa abantu kuphela so noma umuntu afuna ukubhadala sikubhadala kanjani ukuthi ufuna ungipha malini but izinto engizidingayo transport yokuya nokubuya indawo yokulala ayingilali kwakho ngilali la kushone khona because KZN ngothola kushoniwe so masifika obvious enkhatheli ufuna ukulala masilala qhamuka gogo hey vuka kwabona umuntu azolala ngijabu kenzakalani okay ngizoyenzani okay ngihloniphe gogo ngenzeni hawu ngabuza lokho kube kumncane hamba ngathi sibambe inkomo lapho ngithi hawu bakwethu okay so sinsike lapho
La kanjani emncabeni lo?
sithi lapho umuntu mangiqasha ibhasi itikiti lelona lokuthi ungibhukhile indawo kulala bese uzongizwa kuzoba ngathi umsebenzi unjani
uzokutshela isikhathi ukuthi
uzongitshela
uqala ngo-11
yebo hayi isikhathi babekelwa yimi isikhathi ngoba phela ngithi nami ngifuna ukuqasha futhi so uma uzothi qala umncwabo bese wena ufuna ungifaka ukhumbule khona into abazele ukudla kuphela emncwabeni bafuna ukuza sekuhanjwa so ilanga performa khona bese kuzohanjwa khani perform
wena
yeah abayiperform nje qala abantu bonke sibakhona
ngoba ngikuzodliwa uceda udliwa
mase kuzohamba yabo mase kuzohanja ngibe emathuneni ayithi abantu bonke sebakhona
Umuntu khona ukudla kaphuma.
bese umncwabo uqala ngo8 bese umncwabo uphuma ngo11 bese ngizofuna ukuvanga ngapha 8 kusakhona abantu lapho ngoba abantu basayiphophoza basafaka amaBrazil konke lokho yabo
ukufundisa ama life skills
so nje kulula mangena makuthi uphuma ngo11 ngifuna ukungena ngo20 or ngo11
Bahambe kahle bakhala.
bahambe nje kahle bakhala lasendleleni
then after lapho when uyahamba nabo
ya emini ngahamba nabo fike ngicela ukuthi ngicaba ongibhadala ngihamba ayi lo uthi
yo
awudli
hayi
nami ukudla emncwabeni ngicabangikwazi is it the reason
hayi lutho akusilokho angikwazi ukudla kwezinye indawo kanyana
even there too
noma kuthiwa ngivakashe akusumuntu ovakashayo ke futhi imindeni yami nje for sure singasisezi ngakazi ngibabona angikwazi mangifika lapha ngivele ngibone sengathi uthi lo muntu uqedile ukudla lo muntu usathi uqeda ukudla yabo and futhi ngumuntu othanda ukungancane so ngeke ngithi ngibona njalo ngifuna ukuthi ngizokungancane ndaba zepapi rice ayi angizwani nazo nasendlini nje
la isinko
La mnandi.
isinkwa abakhekhe yabo so ndaba zokudla magrezi nokuqeda iviki nje akangibalanga makaphela yazala ebhari mehambile mebuya isuthi
emgaqweni
so nje mase ngicwabeni uhlala futhi namahloni uhlala abantu bonke bakubhekile abantu bathi Fana manje uyayishaya lento le mfana wami awusakwazi ukudla manje sekumele ngifokha amahloni futhi so
Yabo.
so nje uvele ngihambe yabo
But you were saying when Amotala, the aim was to just kill about, it was never to be seen or to be that person to be known.
Yeah.
Just bakfagile with his verse.
Bakufaki ile nkondlo le engisho unqabo kabusi 12 million views because I remember ngina 3000 followers. Bathi unqabo kabusi gijima sengijima ko 300 and something thousand.
Just because of that one video.
A video in 12 million views.
Akamazi naye.
Obusi yena bengifunda same school. Ngifunda naye primary. But bengimshira le kude grade. Say high school. So high school qhamuka sathi mboni wena athi bobhayiza kanje primary manje la sokuzobhekana nabantu abangaka. So njalo mangibona mboni lento engakwazi ukukhuluma. So makuthiwa ubusi siyashonile ngathi ubusi kanjani ashonile mntana senza afuna ukucela ukushutha nami. Azakwazi athi mboke mangibona umuntu osaba vele camera mina ngaqala ngimbona slayeza thuthi yabo so waze washona ngakaze ngibone mangifika kubuke nabakuba sengibacharge ngathi angifakele ipetrol ukuthi ngize lapho hambe ngqobeni then kuyile endlini baba kanjani.
How do you handle it if umuntu osaba camera but kumele ume phambi ngamehlo
and record?
Exactly, people are recording.
Ungarecord onke lapha ungangitshela siyarecord
ungathendo siyaku podcast awukhuluma
mina nje ushaye nje uthi indoda nakho seqala ihlisi but monginikeza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzilungisa amahloni avele abe maningi ingakho noma sengiperforma bavele bathi okay uzongena emuva kwalo yakho ngithi ngiba ne-sport person siqhamuka sesindoda ngena manje
sure
lapho ngithole vele unexpected so ngibene nje hlale phezulu
so that thing mase ubheka phezulu kwenzakalani like
ngisiyodonsa ama-live
just thinking
no besides that like I feel like sometimes avoid distraction no
yeah khona ngimjida bengifunda naye but bengake uperform emngcwabeni kwi-event nje because ngi-songwriter futhi bhalela abantu ingoma
you goes right
yeah yabo yabona usithatha ingoma zakhe zimnandi kanjena usho yena ujabule uthi ndaweni so ngomjida ngiyaperforma nje yabo performa ngizothi ingoma zami because ngiyazibhala phinde edit poem bese ngicela umuntu angiculele but ingoma kube yami so while ngiperforma omjida khona wangihlekisa ngisaperform okay bengiqala nje ukuperform empilweni yami kuleya event so abantu laba hostela lapha bangifaka ngomgunyathi ngafika bacela bathi ndoda okay nje ufuna ungena first ungena keep it 200 badala mina angankinga
first performance it makes sense
yabo
ufuna exposure
angankinga ngangena mangena umuntu ngisaqala angaqali nokulona nanokucula ingoma ngisazintroduce wangihlekisa banje bangikhipha still
to keep on it
phuma
ayibana makoto
so sithike lapho nje performa but nakhona mangiperforma ingoma nje ngazi baphila abantu but mangiperforma nje poem ngase poem ngqaba because isikhathi esiningi ngiphezulu ngisuke ngidonsa ama-line ngoba into engayibhalanga zama ukukhumbula ukuthi okay lo muntu ushoniphi ushone kanjani abangiqasha ngibuza ushonephi ushonile kanjani hayi ukuthi bamazingana ngikufake yabona ngozoqala ukuthi lo muntu
ukuthi bowunophimbo olumnandi if bowumuntu oculayo
hayi if umuntu obekadubula abantu ozothini
ngisafuna ukusibaza ukuthi
so iqhathe nabantu kanjani so
beka John Wick John Wick yabadubula
so into engibuza ukuthi ushonephi ushone kanjani negama lakhe if unabazali uzabazali but if unzalo ushonile ngokuthi ukuthi unabantwana ukuthi ngathi ingane zami nisale kahle anti umuntu akazabe nabantwana so
so you speak as the second person like you speak as lo muntu lo shonile
if angikwazi ukukhuluma ngoba into engayibhalanga if angikwazi
kuba ngathi umlayezo from that person
lo muntu oshonile
through you
then if lo muntu lo ngiyabona ukuthi indlela ashone ngayo anginamalene amaningi engingawasho ebantwini ukuthi bawenze ngizokhuluma as umzali or as umngane imanje ingakho abantu abaningi bathi wena sho ukuthi lo muntu oshonile ukhuluma true wena ngathi lutho
manje you get to a funeral, awubuzanga. I'm afraid isibulele.
Ngibuza khona manje kunangeni. That's why
Singasho bakutshela kanjalo like uzibulele mfethu.
yebo uzibulele ngani? Udlise mhlawumbe umuthi. Kanjalo.
Then expressa as lo muntu uthi like at that moment what do you say like give us like a little short of something.
Hayi yabona ke le bengaba ngcono if inkondlo yothando lezo zifuna sengathi ungaba
kade ngithule ngakwazi ukukhuluma.
Yingakho abantu abangibona bathi mama yabona ifuna leyo voice so yengemeze la nakubusi njoba ile video ngithendisile bathi bangitshela ukuthi ubusi ukwazama ukuzibulala said last day kwazama ukuzibulala then uzibulala bese ushone lapha ya
But yo, to me it's like that thing when you say you don't feel the pain.
yeah I'm feeling pain
Don't mix business with pleasure.
yebo
That's deep.
After my emotions, it's very deep. Now that's why like I'm nyanyamangala, like I get shocked with you. How can you be there and people are crying?
When
You don't feel
I mean,
like
a good as less
he's working.
It's a imbongo eyiningi
imbo.
Yeah.
bathi mina ngeke ngibe imbongo emncwabeni ngoba mabakhala nami
Uzokhala,
ngakhala wena ungakhali yini yabe angibhemi ngiphuze
You're full for this.
Mina
Ayikho engenzayo.
lezi imbo lezi ngifila ngathi ziya enjoy yalemo abantu bakhala.
Yasebenza.
yeah
I'm saying do you? Fana nami lekhawundi udlala ibhola.
Abantu babashaya bafethu reaction.
manje kanjalo
Now we feel kanjani?
yeah
Motivation.
mangiperforma bangakhali or ngingamuza nje nomuntu ewane okhalayo noma kuthiwa ngimzwanga bathiwa sengibukele ivideo umuntu ekho umuntu okhalayo yabondayo sho lento bengicabanga kusiya
Akusebenza.
emyami ngifuna ukuthi ukhale ube right
Keep.
so ikanjalo
Wena sise wama ibheli ne?
Ha.
Ibheli.
ipedi
Ibheli.
Mama.
Ibheli, I don't know. Abantu abaningi bayidiscover ngendlela yabo mara I personally feel like a bed is someone who's condescending, who looks down on people most of the time. They feel superior than other people. I'm not I know, I'm asking, are you one? Like not in a bad way. Sometimes you are just like that. Like abantu ufika ngathi who noma ungena endaweni like uyazi ukuthi kanye ungena bazongibheka manje. Like awethu ezinjalo so
Ngisingibhili.
Masiphe. Qala kanjani ukuposta ama-post okudla abantu? Angili.
Sakudlala yasho. I was a joke. Nakhona ngiqale I think like 2022. Yeah, by December. It was a joke. We see 16 my time. Then so much. Why lento lama video wakho ahleli lapho ukhuluma umbhedi ungapost. Like I posted nabantu bazothi nathi poster, then I started posting again.
Alevele straight nama-video.
Yeah, straight to my video.
Why?
Why?
Ngicabanga ukuthi
Ubona ikile ufike engqondweni nathi tut
Yabamayenza video like nabangani bakho as girls like sebenzisa ifilter sethi video. Khona lo uzokhuluma into ebhedayo. That's me.
That's how my comedy man.
Why am I video once? Why ungathathi ifoni yenza ama-video? I'm like, post it. Athi yeah, post and ngicala kanjalo ke post.
uyabona.
Silence.
I-alarm yokuphuza amapilisi.
phoza amapatiti
Amapilisi.
sathi ngipha nami
Qinisa amandla.
So yeah, ngicala kanjalo then I think kabona le video eyi-1 ethendayo ukuthi umuntu azothi can you tell me more about yourself?
Oh, and umuntu ngathi inyanya lento
Yes.
letha sonke sikhali.
Ke ngathi mina bona umuntu mazothi can you tell me more about yourself kuvele kuqhuma ingqondo once. Like yeah, but
Tell us about yourself.
Awuzange uthe ngumbo.
like mina how
ufuna igama
share tell me more about you information
Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi
ufuna indabeni
straight like
No, like it's like a job interview. Hey, mofuna umsebenzi angisho bathi tell me about yourself.
phela ku-job interview ucamba manga
phela bathi abashela bacanga ukuthi masobashela suke sesibathanda umuntu mayomshela
interview
yeah umuntu mayomshela uyabuye ungamazi uyaka-attractor physically nge-appearance so you still want to know ukuthi umuntu onjani, how do you think, how to behave, respectful. So we just make conversation. We decide.
Tell me more about yourself.
Yeah, tell me more. I like to go to Carnival Seat. I go karting. Which means I like fun. Yeah, I grew for fun. We are going to so interview Mati, don't call us, we'll call you. Okay, me too.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so how often do you get hi Marangobile? Like reactions, yeah.
But like ish nothing. You know what's weird? Reactioning it's all like weird yabafana. Because girls are like, no sharp, it's all nice. Yeah, okay. So yeah.
Like what do you get the things you say? Like say like
Yeah, like
maybe that's another thing, like why are you right now? Like
I wanted to say good like there's someone like
she's just thinking.
Yeah, like we are scared
like especially because I have so many male friends. Like we all talk a lot. So we tell okay.
But
so when in your opinion, do you think like poets are like
I don't know if I
no, I'm just asking no, opinion on poets like injani like
I don't know, man. Like I feel like better talented. Like that's why I think Guzi does have trauma, because I don't think more by poets.
I mean, it feels like it's coming from deep.
In the middle we experience it or something.
But there's that feeling, bro. Like, have you ever seen Mungane at primary? Whatever you see and you eat cars at that moment, you wanna be that thing. Like,
Hey.
Wahlangana ne-doctor. Yenza izinto ezikhulu esibhedlela. Nawe kusasuvuka nami ngibona white. So how do you find that calling like good, like okay, mina kimi ngizoba ipoet, mina kimi ngizokudla abantu, ngizokhuluma ngezinto abantu.
That was not the plan. Mina plan nami ukuthi the way, because mangiyenza ngabantu enhleni nabo kuyahlekwa, akekho relate, right? So give me, it was just for fun, guys. It was like nana babazohleka kanti ke nina ke ayike yo I just give me rest for fun nje. Nakhona bengasinto ukuthi imposter every day. Imposter kuboma like Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Ngabona ukuthi bayithanda lushu.
It's a couple of
That's why now Instagram number, because now Instagram I want good time man. Instagram Instagram I'm a vlog. lifestyle
Yo,
yomuntu.
it's fake lifestyle.
Yeah, ibonga sa mina
It's not kind of fake.
Ah, fuck, it's fake.
It's fake.
Fake?
Instagram.
And a lot of things are fake.
Most is
Majority,
fake.
yeah. Like,
Because Instagram projects lifestyle.
yeah.
Mbone, no even don't mbone location like
Yeah.
How?
Ushit bafana nami. Oh, nami bangibona nta. Yingo ngene.
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, well, when on Instagram, you feel like it's somebody who's
Yeah, umuntu
superior somehow just because of a number or anything. Then most of them,
zazi mawukhule nomuntu ne nazali esikolweni
yeah.
or ekasi mase kaba ipedi lena ama followers amaningi ashaya abantu ngebhongo kuma comment wena mawumuntu sendele message wena paseka akuphendula athi show yashida akase ayekho that big uthi amazi abantu abamazi bazi le picture le ayiportrayayo ebantwini.
But I feel like for a professional life, if you into that life, like you really want that life for Instagram and to be what you portray, vele you gotta be like that.
Ngiluphile
But
kanjani?
when I'm a pasek, we will leave it.
Yo.
Umuntu ukhule nayo ndoda usho
Yeah.
kufika
Now you're trying to become somebody. You're not trying to stick to the past. Awufuni ukuba lo muntu akudala phela. Akunandaba nawe akudala like sure sikhule sonke it's fine makasekho.
in the past hlala
how bygone ouch.
Yeah, that's why once people because now I'm
Paseka besifunda sonke sizomgudla ngizoyenza ivideo ngithi umuntu ufunde naye athola ko 0 masomsebenze message seshawo si
temporary
makashapa
because abanye abantu
Makala-
bafile ukuthi bebangakhulumise lokushini umuntu bekazona chick so him but yeah ngabela
Yeah,
sipho
yeah.
that's what
another thing.
happened
Exactly.
this past weekend look hello we literally don't talk asikhulumi she wants
uyazazi
wakhe babane sami all of a sudden mangime nabantu yeah okay wasekasi yami lo I'm like that's how and then because asikhulumi we've never actually had a conversation all of a sudden ngime nabantu wena ufuna ukwenza conversation nabo kumele ungene nami
And another thing, people would say it's for Karen displaying. For Karen, it's fake, ne? Like you want on Insta. I'm sure abantu will say the reason banga portray, banga display a location now and stuff. It's for safety purposes.
Sure.
But me, I feel like it's for maintaining fake lifestyle, bro.
yeah because I
Because that-
supposed to say Dubai my location is Setsakan
Like uhlale emkhukhwini. Uhlale emkhukhwini zonke ithombe zakho ngathi uhlale esensini.
shoot the next door
hey
bathi siyababona labadlezile ngathi nalendlela alumniyayo
Umnikeza amagama uzoba siyagudla.
Angisabukhona ivideo edropha kusasa.
Manje.
manje 2 hours time shezabitropa before doing le nto boyenza yini ufuna ukuyenza.
Yeah, what was the dream?
Yeah.
And what's still the dream?
honestly it was becoming a lawyer until I found out I was maybe 47 years that's all
Oh, ufuna ukukhuluma nawe.
Oh, now uzwani nesikole.
ayo ayingeke 7 years
manje wenzani?
manje ngenza i-HR
Wonke umuntu akafuni ukufunda kuyenzakala.
angeke yo 7 years uqamba amanga lapho uthi no he's not guilty 7 years because
Uyazazi ukuthi kuba umuntu uzobulela umuntu atshela
Yes.
ngibulalile maka wena uzobhadala imali enjini.
Yes,
Ngiyale
yabo.
ukuthi ngibulala.
my 7 years ngifuna 7 years lokuqamba amanga
No, yeah, they can cook, kushaya psychology.
Yabona,
Abakushaya umuntu mdala asebenza lapho, upersecute lapho.
So ufuna ukuba yilawyer.
yeah I wanted to be a lawyer
Manje sofuna ukuba yini?
manje I honestly
Uyaphila nje. Sabulala so uzaphila.
Ungasabi nje hayi. Yabona nje ukuthi ugcwalisa
Ayikho
ikhadi.
fani lento isekala.
Uyakhula.
But okay, angizazi.
Uyakhula.
like honestly manje kuyafana kusizana ukuba nephupho beni majority yabantu abafundile abanayo le misebenzi bayifundile
Yeah, but it's having hope,
Hope.
faith.
And khuluma yini? It makes sense, boy. As most classini ya.
Nah, but like boy, you always need to have that thing that keeps you going every day where you wanna be.
Yeah, na school. Mara, like saying it makes sense to say like she was 146 in class and they were doing the same thing. So you're telling me that this one must pass us on top of them. So it's like
usebenzela ukuba lawyer, usebenze KFC.
Yeah, usebenze KFC ma on qualification.
Yeah, so nje
yeah, but then in life you
So
shouldn't look at like the as much as it's like that.
Mina give me pedile, mina like give me
It's a
Oh,
personal
you
thing.
advise umnikeza yona.
yeah, when I go food, mina ngi-right.
Yabona tell you abanye abantu basha boy
Chiki, Mobile is graduating.
upostile la garutshela abantu ukuthi hayi mina funda mina shabu
Sharp.
yeah kurushajona tabashayimina siya nihleka nathi kanti thina sa graduate makashabu.
Every time umuntu asho njalo it's like those learners esikoleni like laba abathanda ukuthi afunda. Chiki come results how 98% ungafundanga.
Lapho nabo bo motivated nama ngifunda ngisho ukuthi asifundanga sithu. Mawuthola 23 yena uthola 53. Uthi ba
Mfethu uthafundanga ugcine eklasini.
Kanjani?
Lo yazi into bengiyenza leyo.
And it reaches a stage where online ambengiyenza leyo.
thatha ngifundanga.
Sesihamba ngosibobile kantona ebakhini baninzi ufunda kayi eklasini phela.
Uyamamela futhi.
Asiphela.
That's what I'm saying. It reaches a stage and level like the higher you push academically. Kumele ugcine ufunda though. Primary, high school, ungaphasa ama-distinction ungafundanga boy.
Lane abantu abahlakaniphile.
Boy, like okay, let me just say majority of abantu abakhulise in an environment where they are good listeners. Ungakwazi ukuphasa primary, high school without studying, like you just have to attend, be present eclassini.
Thina sifunda esikoleni nabantu abashayayo. Abalaleli abaphasi ndoda siphasa C7 eklasini.
Oh, nawe ngazibali lo 7.
Oh hayi
What is the pastor sees there?
abantu bayashaya bajo eklasini jobo ukuthi awuzwe eklasini umuntu azi umuntu bekashadla khona umuntu mhlambe ngifunda nangeke ngibize igama akabe ngifunda naye jobo
Kanjani describe?
hayi ene azijo umuntu onjani uthulile uyamzwela ntwana yabona usema afundisa uyalalela uhleli uhlala phambili bebamhlalisa itafula lakhe ngoba kahle bamshaya uhlala lapha phambili ukuthi akhona ukuzwa njalo usema kakhulu njalo ntwana kusasa masibuya bazomshayela ukuthi akabhala homework bazomshayela ukuthi uthole maybe 3/50 bazomshayela into ezidoma azi umuntu mabathanda umshaya njalo noma sikase eklasini babona yena kucala yarasa mara uyafail yabo like angifila ngathi if bakushaya every day kumele wenze i-change ndoda mawufika kimi ukhe uzusho ukuthi yo hayi namhlanje ngiyafunda nabanye abantu vele isikolo
It's not for them. Noma bangazama.
Yabo umuntu momshaya njalo noma uthi mhlawumbe uzama ukumlungisa uthi umlungisa indlela e-wrong.
bajwayele
Angeke abe right.
Kungekavumi kuye ukuthi yena
Ingqondo yerashini. Like abe right. Bani mntana uzomshaya njalo uthi ngishayela ukuthi wabuya late endlini uzenza mbongo baseyasa kwendlini mama uzomshaya.
Oh yeah.
So kanjalo uthi ulungisa umntana ungagrovi ubani umshaya
Kanti
menza bewes iyagcina senza umntana esenza mistake kanti umntana uhlala naye phansi umtshele mfethu kanje impilo le.
Yeah, it's like umuntu momkhuza like difficult abange i-mindset yabo towards that harsh police. It's like kuyafana ngizophila.
Yebo.
Zongizizisa
umshayeli izolo ngathi
Yabo. Kanti nami ungamkhomba ukuthi kanti ungamkhomba ukuthi mntana wami wenzayo yangihlukumeza. Uzocabanga noma kuthiwa yena xa uthi eshuma mama. Ingakho ngaphuma esikoleni ngakazenzela ukuthi ma crazy play high blood. So ngiyalo ukuthi ngiyagangala yakhupha high blood ama crazy washona abantwana basekhaya bazothi bulala umama. So ingakho ngiphuza kubhemu eziphi njani zethu.
So wena ngicubile bakhulisa kanjani bebakushaya?
Bangazidlali nathi nje ngoba mama ngashaya. Uma uyeleta kufanele amanzi anentelezi. Angithi intelezi yenu. Asikalo uzanywa. Ngazonywa mfana Ubabhekele lapha ibhande. In fact ubabhekele akusetshenziswa lelo. Khetha le. Oh, ayithathe. Bayilahlelele. Khetha futhi kuyosale
Ah, kule sohlakanini ukhetha le isabayo uthi ngikhetha le.
bazoyeba bakushaya
bakushaya into bakushaya nobuye late.
yeah ukubuya le
Hayi udaba.
Ubuya late. Wenzani outside?
Akona mayilight mina bese ubuyile akayiboni
Ilaqala khona umnandi. Akho manje
njalo wena sekumele endlini naye ngiyini
Noma ifo ngaphuzi. Bengibuya late mara bengibuyela ukuthi ngiyakama. Bengibuyela ukuthi la sesivaya khona sesidlala amafruta noma sibadla.
Sekumnandi ya.
Masiqeda lapho la sesizavaya yabo ilanga selatshobela but amona I'm three. Uyavaya wena.
Ngiyajika.
Ubuya ngathi uthi ngiyafika. Ngiyakutshela phela endlini mama mawubuya bakubuza. Bafuna ukuthi ubuyaphi uthi ngidlala abanandaba bazokushaya.
Ziyashaya.
Ubuye and akusuthi bayakuzona wena bacabanga ukuthi baba ngatshotsha umntanethu bangama ntombazana yena grape. Zayo bipa la. But yeah, uthando bafethu sometimes liza kanzima. Because mose sengcana ngibakhulume nawo, sometimes ngihlala nawo phansi. Bathi fana nothisha esikolweni, asikhona abanye abantu besara ne primary. Bathi laba bayafela maka batshela thina ngisho abazali ukuthi ngicela lana abantwana benu ngo4 isikole siphuma ngo1 mose semncane. Ngana abantwana benu ngo4 bazofunda lezi zinto abangazi-understand. Noma mfethu umeme wahlala nathi phansi wa-explainela ukuthi yenza lento kanje nje umuntu angakhoni ukuyenza. Ngoba qale bamshaya. Ngoba yavuleka. Khana azokwazi ukuthi sekasakushaya mina yenza into right. Yeah, mina qale sekayazi ukuthi ngingabhedalana ukharalisha waphumela ngaphandle layini. Ngayazi ukuthi bayangishaya yabo uzocala be careful ngoba ukujakisa mthanda senze izinto ngosifuna ukuqeda. Yakharisha ngoba ufuna uqeda ukushaya bese khaya uyenza izinto kahle ngesikhathi lakini bakushaya bayasho ukuthi awuzwa ukuthi ungabuye ebusuku bakutshelile mos ungabuye ebusuku uze lapho lo mayilayo mara wabuye ebusuku should vele bathole indlela bakubhane bakhulumile
yeah barakho behlo ukuthi umuntu umshaya ukuthi uyambuyisa nokuthi umshaya ukuthi vele uthi uyambuyisa khona umzala ashaya umntana umshaya bonke ya la uyamura ke la usadla nyamlimana uvela adekele ukuthina or mhlawumbe uzomamela lapho but ngaphandle bengithi ingakuthiwa lento yenza endlini wawungayenzi ngaphandle kanti uyazi endlini ngiyashaya so la sengikhipha le enga yasendlini ngaphandle manje
sometimes bakushaya futhi ngathi bayakuzona vele udelele enhlalo
ibona
bathi umbiza uma ukuthi mbizeni ukuthi mina ngizona
qale endlini esukendlini wena asemshaya wazi ukuthi ya la ngishayiwe manje seku-right hayi awuyeke mbonge khona uJunior manje ngathi sengifuna igama
Junior the poet. There's a poem I saw uyenza usesemncane sestage. We're trying to share the poem there. Bakudisturba usecela ukushaya isentence emisicala. Bakudisturba method uyama.
yeah athi yenze ukuthi uzomalaya nabo moya imbongi yonke into ebhalayo ufuna ingene so ntomnyama uthanda ntomnyama amantombazane le gama lelini okay wena uchaza ukuthi ngiyathanda lo umuntu kodwa nje ngempela enhlizweni yami ngeke asamuzwa ngoba naso screaming that's why kumele ngime but abona okay ukuma isikhathi sami kumele uyenze uyakhuluma maka screamile uphinde uyabuyele emuva futhi uzoza uqhubeka naye
Yeah.
ngoba ukhumbule futhi poem ungayibhala but ufana ne-essay i-essay ngoba khona ingakho uma-exam kuthiwa ngingakhulumi wacream i-essay ngekhanda mase kumele ubhale bese umjida afika kuxoxise ihambile i-essay so ipoem kanjalo.
So are you in love since you write a lot of love poems?
Yeah, semathandweni.
Usemathandweni nomuntu.
Yebo nomuntu ayabantu. Nomuntu.
Uyi-one.
Oyi-one.
Wahila from loyawa umwaqalela phansi.
Grade 8 ngahila. Ngathola lo grade 12 la grade 12 bangiyisa nje inkondlo bese ngiyayeka kuba ipoet ibona yas
Nabo ukuthi into enjani?
hayi lutho bengingabhaleki yabo ngicabanga ukubhala nje makuthiwa Mbongi yazi kunengoma ethanda ngifeature Mbongi yazi kunengoma kanje so le ngoma ikhuluma ngothando uthi umuntu amthanda angikwazi ukubhala kodwa usethini kodwa ufuna ukubhala something bhala umngcwabo uyakhompotha
Sakholele ethandweni.
leyabhala leyangithile so wonke amapoem ami yabo ufuna ukuthi ukukhuluma ukuthi ukuhlukumezeka angikhulumi ngami sikhuluma ngokuhlukumezeka
Sure.
bo
Wena uhlukumezekanga.
hayi mina ngihlumezeki mina ngihappy Nkosi yami hlezi futhi nje ngihappy
So
kancane
kune specific voice oyisebenzisayo to kusho amapoem to recite.
kuya ngokuthi maphi amapoem eyomngcwabo mama ngiyakhumbula eyothanda sithanda sami ngisacela uhlale nami kwami
Yes.
so
Sithanda sami.
amhleleni
Ne-agenda ne.
Angajela ngithi uyezwa na.
Afuna ukudleka yabo.
Ngimfundisa ukuthi abe soft nabantu yezwa sithanda sami saqala into ukuthi sharp.
Abasekhuluma ngothando mina ku.
Phela manje.
Nama emotions nina abantu abagudla nama emotions omtshele ke wena unama emotions.
But she has to do what she has to do to get what she wants to be, though.
kanti ama-good list waligudla lona ululu
Chest of drawer. Chest of drawer. Nenza kanjani vele azima mawugudla abantu ngifila ngathi anamizwa kakhulu like awuthatha izinto serious umuntu onjalo vele
Nayo like akhona ama-video ngi-internet lena there's too much
Without to be post.
yeah lena bese khona I'm like malezo trend lena yes post
posta noma kanjani
because nokuzisisa wami ithi i-right le ayikho too much athi hayi i-right ngisanga okay bese ngiyapost sengibona ama-comment kuthi we
okay
mahamba
hayi
ngizobapoet nami
kanti lulu epoint into esiyikhuluma la lento ekhulumayo into engiyikhulumayo
For now, uvelela mighty.
lento ekhulumayo lento ekhulumayo sokuthi mina sengibeka
ngamagama akahle abangayimayo yabo ihlelekile akukhuluma kwethu lokho kwelanga leli
So like,
straight
yini eke-relate nabantu begwijwa because most of the time uhamba nabanamakhophu abantu abacula igwijwa.
bafuna ngibe khona ukuthi makacula ngithi nabathi igwijo inobu-spiritual nyana connecta nabantu so ney'nkono bathi okay sicela ukuthi usi-edene yabo
collaboration
ba-edena angina-group angifuna i-group
Awunani?
71
sebenza nge-one ngifuna ukusebenza nawe ungabi igroup yami ungangiphathi ngakuphathi ibe kanjalo nje
Lo ngikwazi ukushow up makudingeka.
yebo ikanjalo nje ngakunceda uyahamba ngiyahamba kuphela ma-igroup ukhumbule kuba khona imenemena eyi makuthiwa ufuna ukufeature esiyesi-4 kanje bese khona ufuna ukufeature usisi la athi ngicela uzogudla abantu engomeni yami yabo so nathi siyakwazi ukudlana but hayi njengaye yabo ngoba nawo ugwije bacula bonke but khona yabo so uma ngaqhamuka umuntu afuna usisi amthathi thina sesizomhleka ukuthi man lona uyazitshela sinzisekale kanti lutho ayikho kanjalo or usisi bamthathi bathi okay sicela ukuthi uphume egroupini asisho ukuthi ungena egroup yakho inale but isikhathi esiningi sicela ume ngapho sesiyaqala
sesibona ngathi manje
yabo kanti sikhumbule ukuthi akaphili ngathi uphila nathi kanjalo nawe nempilo kumele attend basoloko simbambile ukuthi hayi mawuphumelela siphumelela zonke ayisebenzi kanjalo senza zonke but mangiphumelela ngaphumelela mina then mina mase ngiphezulu sengingakudonsana hayi ukuthi siye sonke isikhathi esiyi-one
sure
kanjalo.
So like, do you guys like know in general love what you're doing empilweni?
Hey endoda mina phoqelekile ukuthi ngigcine ngikuthanda bengayithandi into bengiyenza because khula kwami umsebenzi engiwenza wezandla we-mechanical engineer yiwo lo ngenza manje suke eDavide senze mechanical engineer but into enkinga ish yohlala lapha yofunda leminyaka eshilo sisi enye inkinga abanenencwadi ngoba nencwadi ngifuna
hayi
ukwenza
umsebenzi.
ngifuna ukwenza so yabo inkondlo ngithola ngendlela ngathi okay ethi ngasusi wahlahle neinkondlo zincede ukuthenini ngiphume endaweni yokubhema nokuphuza kuba isikhathi ukuthi imbongi siyophuza hayi hamba niyophuza kunepoem engifuna ukuyibhala imbongi Saturday kune weekend enkulu hayi nami ngine weekend enkulu kuma poem wami inasime yami ukuthi ngidlule nje ngithi oh hayi nawo ngamncengi swipe sengi 24 yelona yotshwala sengi 24 yebeer ama sengi 24 yeco drink sengi beer
24 yamadana
angina ina time yami yo one way.
And you, do you enjoy what you're doing?
Yeah, ngobiza nemali manje bo.
Oh.
So you enjoy
Like
what
manje.
you do?
Yeah, manje phela ivula ama opportunities nje ukuthi khona amagig abafuna ngapromote ama brand yabo. So iza nemali eqaleni like maqala ukuduma bekuba umsebenzi ukuthi oh mina ngiposte.
Ando phela kanjalo yabo.
Kumele ngibhale ukuthi maybe nalezi zinto engizibhalile maybe ngiziplanele ukuthi ngifuna ukuziposta Friday. Oh ngiyabona ukuthi eish yo mina ngiposte. Yo mina ngenza video. Mele yeah but manje yeah.
So lokho lapho wenza usoba noma
Ngisoba like nasekuseni.
bayibheka nje vele camera.
Ekuseni nje sathi khona.
Nasekuseni ngicela ukuvuka ngifake ibhole.
If like most of my video amasekuseni ngagezi ngagochama. So nje
That's dope. Sunyele na mama
Big brands that you've worked with or that.
Yeah, like what's the highest level you've reached doing what you are doing?
Kusipromote Coca-Cola da.
no lapha ngafika ukuthi
Yeah, like what's the highest at the moment that you've
Ghana.
Kanye?
Yeah.
Let's keep.
Yeah.
Let's keep.
So like well to influencers like working with the brand like Kanye, it's a big step, ne? Huge
Yeah,
step.
it is a big step because mosebenza nebrand yaziwa bayabona so ne potential. Okay.
It's a high milestone,
Yeah.
ne? Yo. I never think of that. I'm like, people are just having fun. Poregile, like, I'm fortunate. What's up? My face skincare.
Come on, Charlotte. Sneaker couture.
Hey, no, I understand this. Like, nah, but to me, like, when I feel like I see achievement they have, like, uba happy ngale mali ithola from their play.
Yeah, rather than
Yeah.
brands.
Rather than Gucci
Phela
brand.
mazofika iNike yasho oh hey they found that. Nike.
So Nike.
Yeah.
Cheve.
Yeah. Like, I feel like,
Talk to what?
ngaba happy ukuthi Nike ithi ifuna ukuza isipane nami ne. Mara ngeke ngibe happy ngale ndlela ukuthi ngiyahlanya unless imali vele it's like
Yeah.
then I'm like then I'll be happy because it doesn't matter who you work with at the end of the day it's all about the paper. Yabo.
Kodwa ku music ayikho kanjalo.
Yeah, what's the highest level you've reached like
Yo,
wafeel ukuthi that means I'm doing something.
ukuhlala nabo sijavu Big Zone. Yikho lokho.
Ubhalele Big Zulu ngoma.
Hayi. Awukwazi nalokho. Labantu labaya badope ngokubhala ngeke level yami ayikho lapha kubo so nje.
But uzwile ukhuluma ukuthi ubhale ingoma. Have you released?
Lots. Albums, you have two, ne? 2 or 3.
Spotify. Zathola.
Hayi nga release uSpotify yabonto lezi. Sefuna umuntu owazana neSgeorge futhi yabo.
Eish.
Funa nje umuntu owazi iSgeorge, hayi iSgeorge lesi. Labo khona ngeSgeorge uzokufuna abo ISRC number. Ey, yabo ntolo ndongo siyami.
That's why we have ChatGPT.
Yebo, uyayisesha bhuti. Yakutshela ukuthi wenza kanje, wenza kanje, wenza kanje. Awuyicophe efonini yakho. Bhalela isiChina ke bona lana ke soyisiChina ke manje. Follow wonke ama-steps baqeda yangikhahlela kanjani.
So don't you think?
But there's always a way, like.
Don't you think Joba uyenza kanjene?
Yeah.
Ngizwile earlier on you said angithanda ukuphathiwa umuntu, ngithanda ukuziphatha mina.
Yeah.
So don't you think you need a manager who knows better
So that's when
so that it doesn't seem for when you know which manager. A manager is not someone who's not related to you. It can be someone who's related to you. As go to something major angeke as a backstage bahlaba umqolo yabona uzomthemba ngale ndlela le. But a manager can also be someone who's not related to you. As ukuthi uyamthemba ukuthi hayi le impintsha yamdala ngiphila nayo izokhona ukubambela izinto ezinje.
Angikwazi ukuthi manager ne but ngithi kumele umcheck ukuthi umuntu okanjani. Ayizoqhamuka imanager nje yoqhamuka mhlambe umuntu wase next door kusacela ukuphatha
Sure.
akazi lutho lo muntu enazo akazi ukuthi umuntu uskema mokwenze njani industry yabo so bangiskeme kaningi so sengiyazi okay wenza kanje yes kaningi umuntu otop futhi into
Christian.
Usijaba nje abantu ke ahlala nabo ngokukhombisa ukuthi okay into yami yangisa phambi iphezulu
Sure.
uhlala nami nosijaba okay ngiphendule before ngizoxoxa yabo usijaba nophikuzulu so yabo mangaqhamuka umuntu next door ngicela ukuphatha nani umuntu akazi lutho into azoyibheka ukugijimisa imali kuphela yabo akho
It's like umbokazi mabambise Chicago. It's like agent made the money move. Izinto ezinakanjalo.
yebo so umuntu kanjalo uzogijimisa imali so ngifuna umuntu owazi ukuthi kule industry asifuna imali sifuna igig ukuze izoyenza imali but mongagijimisa imali ingakho ngithi nasemngcwabeni mangiperform angiperform maqala ukuthi yabo bengiperforma esingo 8 aqala umngcwabo then nami singaperform should lapho ngigijimisa imali but oba ngigijimisa ama event amaningi ukuze ngithi imali eningi yabo ingakho ngiperforma sekuzohamba
Audience. The more people see the
but manje ngimanager nje gijimisa imali yazi sinembongi la sifuna umqasha sine 5000 adlo umuntu obviously nayo ngeshare lapho hayi ngani 5000 sine 10000 hayi ngizokwazi ukwenza 7000 hayi ke ngincane leyo mali le sengiluzile angiluzanga imali kuphela ngiluze nabantu
exposure.
yebo lawo bantu laba shothi mhlambe kusasa bengayithola le 10000 bekayifuna
So you've been scammed.
yeah kanini
So there's been someone okay wasebenza naye.
yeah sebenza as manager bese sewo process yokusayina banginezile ama document yabo so and if enye into yokusayina manager beqhamuka ukuthi sayina la akunikeza isikhathi sokuthi ufunde kanti i-timer lami ke umuntu vele odila ngamaphepha paperwork nani so wathi ntanami letha amaphepha lawo so wafunda mina ngijabulela ukuthi ingakho ngithi ku-industry wasenza nomuntu otop wasenza nomuntu otop indaba zemali uyicabanga ukuthi i-process ithi awucabanga ukuthi sengitop nge-manager so bengijabulele lokho nami
Zinomhlelo sijaba.
hayi asusijaba hayi lo muntu nje ophansi naye akaziyona kumanje la ngikhona ngiyamdlula yini
Sure.
yebo so ngithatha umjida sayina university fika performa lapha yana wangihlalisa emlilweni ngithi mhlawumbe sisazoyolala dololo sengise ngaphuza utshwala ngiphuza vele mina bathi ngisho ne drink ukuthi ayembongi ne drink yabo so ngikhipha imali ebotini la ngithi mhlawumbe usazongiholela ngisazodla dololo phinde ngabuya futhi
Why not West?
not west
Perform
ngabuya
awholanga
khola ngisakhona umuntu uthi ngicamera
athengela
Sele camera 8000 premium into wow. Okay.
isalary yakho.
I'm not sure but again ngihambe nawe ndoda ngihambe Friday Saturday. Ngibuye Saturday ebusuku.
Sekusebenza wena.
Ngibuye Saturday ebusuku. Then unajikijiki so nelona. So ne cameraman wami ekuphuze kubukela lona uzokhomenta for sure. After time nasebukela ama KFC. So lo muntu njalo ngihamba naye bevela ethi KFC. Ngizokuthi imali but ngisajabulela ukuthi ngithola ama
Uyintwana encane ne ngoba umusa semncane bengekho trend siloma suthi.
Lutho bengijabulela ukuthi ngiyaperforma.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nawe ndene kusasa event next week sajabulela lokho. Yabo
ukuthi angiyetuma mina ndoda.
Manje ngicabanga ukuthi hayibo lo muntu wayengiholeli ngithi hayi mhlambe usaqokelela imali nani yabo kanti lutho ekho kanjalo then ngoba khona omunye ke lona ke usebenza nabantu ababig ngengibamention yabo akaculi yena but yabona manje la wathanda ukuhamba namaselebhu kanje ukuthi makhona iselebhu hamba nayo makuthiwa kufuna something ngicela wena ukuthi ngisacela uyongenzela something or mhlambe makunama event uthi ngiyakusaba kuza kuwe ngikhulume nomjidi uthi hayi sacela ngikhulume nomjidi yabo so kwaba kanjalo umjidi akakhuluma naye wazibiza ngegama engaselakhe process yakhona yinde. Let's say usisi une twin. Yabo, umjida uhamba uyimiselepho ujola nosisi. Usisi une twin, lo mjida uzwana nawo. Then umjida azibize ngegama le twin la sisi. Yabo, so mina ngimsave ngaleyo number leyo vele. Save lo gama lelo. So uma ngimsave umjida athi cishe abize igama lomuntu. But-ke akusenani. Kodwa ngeke ngiqhaze.
Kabelo.
Yomkhathi selebhe lithobo wasathi futhi ngisala ubimbi yakhona bathi siye ngayeka. So umjida wakhona akhuluma naye wathi khuleka so e-studio. Makumele e-studio washona umngani wakhe. Makushona umngani wakhe wathi Mbongi angisakwazi siqhubeke yima soyibona. So mathi soyibona ube khona ama-artist awasayinayo. Mase nama-artist aphushe wona athi wena khuleka ngizokubona. Yabo? Shuthi mina sasene le track engimele siyenze. Hayi ukuthi ufuna ungisayine, ufuna sibe nengoma. Ngimcela ukuthi ngicela sibe nengoma. Azange ngicharge azangenze lutho. So ngibona ukuthi okay sekabhizi uphusha ama-artist la wasayinile. Then ngicela lo mjida lo ebengimbonile ahamba naye. Yabo? Ngithi ndoda ngisacela ungikhumbuzele lo mjida loyo ukuthi wendoda phela nakho lo mjida lo singacelile dolo lo. Bese-ke lo mjida lo nathi uyacharge lo muntu lo. Ucharge 6,000. Tell ucharge 8,000. Athi 8,000 mina ke ngithe ngicharge senze ingoma nje kahle because akukhuluma naye but ngoba sengicele wena ayikho inkingi ungakhuluma naye ngizombhadala kancane kancane ngeke ngikwazi ukukhipha cash
for collab
for leyo collab because ngibone ukuthi i-stage engikuso ungathiwa ngikhipha le ngoma le nalo muntu lo kanjalo leyo mali leyo iyophinde kuye more futhi kimi ngathi ke nginenkingi ithi invest lo mjida lona into engixakayo athi lethi imali manje i-transfer manje walomuntu nginaye manje la hambi cela imali magreza cela imali kanje ngizobhadala mangikhona
8K
hayi 8K 2K athi uthe letha i-2K ngibambe then uzohamba ye-studio ila nohlangana khona nonke uphathi 500 yabo lapho ngihamba nomsaroke for sure naye asho ukuthi ngimskemile because ngamsusa lezi recorder ingoma sikayithuna namhlanje yabo. So ngakhipha i-2K ngamnikeza wena ngayifaka eShoprite wathi khuleka nginaye manje la bathi into engixaka mase ngicabanga kahle lo muntu lo usemsindweni kanjani wena lo muntu lo bathi wese-studio kodwa kusemsindweni. So fast forward lo mjida lona ukuhamba kwesikhathi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uma i-sister une-twin lo mjida akazi ukuthi ngikhuluma noma i-sister uyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma nale seble kuphela ngikhuluma nale selebhe kuphela. So my sister ungibiza ngomntanakhe wafike ngabenzile poem way2 selene lo abenzile poem then my sister wangibiza ngomntanakhe yabo. So mangibiza ngomntanakhe uyangibuza hawo mntanami ngijwayela ukujabule kanje yini namhlanje ngithi hawo uyazi ngibuye e-studio bese ngiyile e-studio nomsana ngibuye e-studio before ngifike ndawo e-studio lo mjida athi sohlangana e-studio nale selebhe lelo akumele hlangane e-studio neselebhe afone ngisendleleni athi azi iselebhe alisekho selibhizi namanye amaselebhe. So mina mangirekhode lo mjida uzongithola lapha okay ngiye vele nomsara space record ngifone wendoda awukafiki uproducer seyasixoxa isikhathi esambili angazi athi ngisabambekile nale selebhe ngazi vele ukuthi hayi uyi-side man yeselebhe so ngithi ngibika mhlawumbe ubhizi vele sambe nomsaro then mangifika la ngikhuluma khona-ke nomuntu wale selebhe leli asho lo magreza athi hawajabulanga ngithi hawu umuntu wakho uthe uzofaka ingoma edonini yami athi hawu kanjani ngoba lo muntu lona akekho wala eGauteng uzoyifaka kanjani ngithi hawu lo muntu lo bathi ukhona ngosila athi hayi angikwazi lokho ubani ukutshele lokho then ngibize igama le-twin yakhe ngoba ngazi igama lamjida ngibize igama le-twin lakhe. So mangibize igama le-twin lakhe athi hawu umntana wasekhaya musiloyo ngithi hayi kusumntana kini angikhulumi nge-twin lakho mina athi ngisendele isithombe salo muntu loyo mangise sadlo silo abuze i-twin lakho ukuthi amazi umfana i-twin lakhe lithi hayi akamazi. Then lo mama acela ukuthi cela ungisendele isithombe salo muntu lo othi wena ukhulume nomuntu wakho ngisenda athi hayibo lo muntu loyo ngithi igama lakhe yileli akusilo leli kenzakalani yabo. So uma kanjalo lo magreza kugcina seyaconfronta lo bhuti lo bhuti abuye kimi sathi hawu nandoda yangibhayizisa nani ngithi kubhayizisa kanjani yabo wena bongiskema athi hayi bengingakuskemi mina benganzi ukuthi ngizodlala amakhadi ami kahle ngimtshele le celebrity singimtshela sehlelo sonke kahle ngithi ukhumbule wangigijimisa wathi lo muntu onaye wathi unaye manje la ufuna 2k la unaye manje la wangigibeza ngagibeza umsaro iBolt yonke leyo bafika lapha ngarecorda keep 500 lo muntu uthi ngizorecorda 2.5 wonke uhambile yabo fika hlala ba recorda ingoma noma idolo umsaro for sure ubheka mayamehlo yabo so ngayeka lapha indaba kodwa awuyikeni kwami mangithola ngathi lale celebrity sekugcina seliyangifonela manje lifuna ngichaze indaba ukuthi kahle kenzakalani ngichaze le story but obvious oba uphila naye ngingixabana umuntu omubi kanike ngithi yazi ngoba umjidi ugcina sexabana nomuntu wakhe ukuthi ambone umuntu lo ufaka igama lomntana kithi engcupheni yabo ukuthi anything happen ngalanda ngalokho ngifuna legama leli ukuthi ubani lo bese ngithola umuntu wrong alimali ngoba lo mjida lo vele aqala ukwenza into kanje yabo ayi ngisho ngiyaphuma piyani
That's tough, man.
so celebrity ile kanjalo so mangithola indaba kube khona omunye obekasanele lo celebrate asho ndoda yazini labantu laba iselebrity nomuntu wayo bathule baxabana so nawe nje uku-eda le ndaba le baxabana more ngabona okay futhi nami eda ukuxabana more ngaya kuyoma hayi vele baxabana ngaya kuyoma mama lo ngajazini ngixolele umjida lo nami sengixolela siyeke yabo
2.5 gone
2.5 wathi ngiyifuna imali so lo mjida mangifuna imali kuye athi ngizokunikeza ngokuphela inyanga ngizokunikeza langa leli kuze kuphele 3 months ngangale yabo so ekungaleni kwami ngathola elinye iselebhu okay leli kodwa awathi ngisho ngathola elinye iselebhu elihamba noBig Zulu yabo lelo selebhu leso ngihambe nalo mangihamba nalo sambe ama event ngifake ama event nani but ngiperform ngikhapha lona nje ukuthi ngiba nalo ngifake into engikhombisa
ngibhadale transport to get there
asebenzisa imoto yami senza imoto yami sihamba nani imicela yazini cethu mohamba ohlala eKaslami yabo ungibize nje umuntu uyangazi vele na ukuthi awuyimbongi idumile vele lokushini sabona ukuthi okay mntana umfana singathi serious ngihambe naye ama event then lelo celeb umngane wale celebrity ngiskemile ngithini iceleb lalomngane lalomkhitho ngiskemile akazi ngiyacanga amagama but uzomani ufaka uPP bane so between classes yabo osibize enkalo ngaselakhe so lo muntu engihamba naye khona event bese Soweto masifika lapha eSoweto fike sigibele vele kubo VIP la hlala khona amaseleb fike ngihlale nawo mangifika ngithola le group labo fanatic laba cule ngoma DX yami no turn around khona lo mjida lo weDreads lo munye umnyama woye lo ngitshelile ukuthi so ucela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyolixolisa umuntu ngaxolisa kanjani so mangihlala naye lapha phambili naye le mboni ngikhuluma naye singikhuluma naye vele efonini asikazi sibonani so amajida we3 angichawula yabo ngithole aphendula ifoni ngithi ngoba ngimbulisile azangaphendula into time mhlambe ubusy nefoni so hlale lapha hlale kube isikhathi salomjida lo engihamba nayo siya ukuthi ayoperform ngehle vele ngithatha ifoni yakhe ngifuna ukumshutha so while ngimshutha aphuma stage maphuma ngihlala noMusicholic yabo Musicholic isixoxa futhi naye masiqeda ukuxoxa kanjalo bese kuba khona umshana samba sonke so masifika lapha umuntu ngime nomshana ngabulisa umshana mathi ngiyabulisa mina avela ngidlule nje kanjani ngibona ukuthi shuthi umjida ukhetha iside la mjida yakhe yabo ubese ngathi ngiyamxabanisa then indaba iphinde iqale phansi futhi ngiyazini unandoda ungenza islima shuthi ufike lapha wafika waqamba manga ngami futhi waphela manje somusha icareer yami yona umuntu engazangifuni futhi singazibayinasi select lokuqala and ubhasope ngihamba no company yohana lo mjida lo mangathi ukhuluma lento ekhulumile ngamajita lawo futhi nje
company yongasakwazi
kwinkabi records angisakwazi ukuba khona yabo so ngimlanda ukuthi imali yami nani ayele nale bese ngitshela uSiyantuli ngithi yazini before bamtshela yena ukuthi kenzakalani ngimtshele mina ukuthi anomjita kanje ongiscam imali yabo then azama ukuyilungisa then bese lo mjita lo masibuya futhi eCarnival so kwi-event lo mjita aze kimi yena lombo aze kimi athi yazini uSiyantuli akasangikhulumisi ndoda mayelana nendaba leya ususixabanisile ethi mina bengaxabanisi futhi yazini sasohlela nayo imali yakhona ngisedini then angitextela imali angina athi ndoda azi imali yakhe nginikeza ukuthula nani ngizofuna ukuyibhadala so yeke nje kanjani ngakhona
there's a lot going on in the industry
so bayabona bese uthi ufuna indaba ze manager nani manager meliyazi ukuthi kusebenza kanjani
yeah now last day pesh I think we have to close it up it's time eh
kodwa ungakhohlwa amagama abantu yawacela
so yeah like mongasho wena ungamtshelani like young kid out there who's trying to get to where you are currently or even higher
uthi nje aqhubeka push
yeah
angaphili ngabantu aphile nabantu yabo ungaphili ngoba nakho umjito khona eduze kwami mangekho yena ngisakwazi ukuphila angayenzi leyo angadepend emntweni asiphushele angasabi ukurisk cause ngila ngikhona baningi ama-risk engiwathathile abazali bami futhi bangafuna bathi ngenkani yami ngayo thola i-event eMpumalanga okay ngithola i-event Eastern Cape angazi umuntu ngingahlala lutho hamba 11 hours 11 or 12 hours bazali hayi ungayilapha ebusuku thatha imtholo yami khona bangibona after 2 days
the payoff pressure
so nje kumele risk uzoyithola into efunayo ungasabi ukinvest noma kuthiwa bakuscam ungakhathali angithi vele yazi inhlanhla khiwuphi ngoba lo yangiscamile akuchaza ukuthi nalo landela uzongiscam bese ngiscamile lo yana bese lo ngisaba ukumnikeza imali kanti lo bekazonginceda
maybe ngazoshintsha
Khumuzane heartbreak lo akhetha kami lo munye wathi ngizomnika uthando lami uzoyilungisa
wayelungisa naphinda wayihetha cishe wangimushela i-career
mfethu wantomazana
cishe wangimushela i-career
Siyakhona ne.
ubuza wena ukuthi wena like
Njalo makathi amantombazana uhleba.
mina ngifuna ukuvala
ukhuluma like la message oyinika
kodwa namhlanje ukhona
Honestly, I would tell whoever is out there they must keep pushing. Sometimes inzondo ayibuki abantu abangaphandle kuphela nabufamily yakhe khona umlomo uyadala so yeah
bese ugcwalisa amagameni akhe uthi ungakhohlwa ukubuyisela okubi ngokubi ngoba ngekho ziluzashasha zela ngizoshaza
usala kube ngokuthi khohlakele
azela ngizoshaza indaba le ukuthi hayi ngihethile ethi ngixolele aphinde futhi angiyenza yini zela ngizoxhashaza lapho iselokhu ngofuna ukuqhubeka empilweni uze abantu bangagibeli ekhanda
kangana ushaya imessage
hayi vuke kuseni
ngeskipa kenzakalala ashela imessage ngeskipa
isikela kuphela kusinto eziningi ukuthi nje ngisesikela yabo so
kaya ama-footballers i-advise
advise ama-footballer abafethu ukuthi
bele kudlala amantombazana
dlala ibhola
yes
no abafethu ngifuna ukuthi you create you open your own doors lento leyo ukuthi yenza izinto zizozenzakalela angibelieve kuyo ngifila ngathi wena uma ufuna something mele uye kuyo that's why basho ukuthi uyithola kanjani uhlele khoneni yabo wena mawuhleli la ayikho into ezozakuwa akekho umuntu ozoza nemali athi ngiyithatha imali ngiyakupha ngoba wena uyelo bone yabo wena uyayilanda imali ngihlezi ngisho I'm gonna derive to something else ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngabantu abahlala ekhoneni abahluphekane I always feel bad for them because abantu we don't know the background but I always say ukuthi people who are there sitting, Mashisoilam, and then they just stand there and ask for Maturan. That for me, that's laziness. In fact, if you really want bread, stand up, uyokokota endlini uthi ngicela ukubutha amaphepha, ngicela ukugunda utshani, ngicela ukuwashela imoto, ngicela ukuwashela amateki noma unganginika malini, yabo. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo uyayilanda lento leyo. Akekho umuntu ozobhiza adlula lapha every time abekele wena i-200 ukuthi ngizokunika i-200, yabo. So that what I just said, it works everywhere in life. Yonke indawo nasemsebenzini angeke bakenze manager uhlezi uthi yebo mawukhona into ongayizwisisi kahle kumele ubuze ukuthi le ayihambelani nalento engisayinile lana yenzakala so, yabo. That's how you get promoted. Into mayifuna kumele uzilandele yona in simple words.
Yeah, sure. Embongo ungashaya into yakhona inkondlo mfethu uthi uyivala lapho uthando ke.
Unenkondlo yothando? Yini akangiqhatha. Oh hayi. Awusisisha nje ibe simple. Ngisazophinda futhi.
Nika abantu something.
Ngisazophinda na.
Kanjani?
Masibuye. Noma sesirapper.
Sesayivala.
Ivala.
Oh, sesayivala total.
Sesayivala.
Banike noma whatever minutes.
Athi sibaphe 1 minute. Eningabi. It cost about 1,000 1 minute. But here kusenani. Ithi pheca into yami yokuhleka. Evele ngimamathekise uma ngiyibuka. Iwumnikazi smile ebusweni bami, umthokoziso enhliziyo yami. Iyafana ne-oxygen empilweni yami ngipheca ngento yami yokuhleka. Ayingibalela amacala noma ingikhumbuza amaphutha ami akudala. Kepha ihlezi nami eduze kwami noma sesixabana. Ivele ithi masihlale phansi silungise seyokulelo bala ngipheca ngento yami yokuhleka. Ave ngichaza-ke uma simamatheka. Ngivele ngibone kahle ukuthi la ngikhethile, angigejile, ingakho kuyona ngikhethile ngipheca ngento yami yokuhleka. Bathi ngiyawuzama uhambile, inhliziyo yami uthandile, kuhle goli mehlami ubonile. Intombi enhle ezothini ngiyathena ngabantwana ngithandile. Ngajabulele ukuthi bachazele nale into engihluphayo. Asithi angayikhomba, asithi angayithinta inhliziyo yakho nawe izwele. Mina ngazi ngizothini. Amagama echaza ngaswele nale into engihluphayo. Ifika noma ngilele iphinde izambele, kenze njani ekutshela noma ngikubhalele. Mina ngazi ngizothini. Ntokazi. Ufike inhliziyo yami sehene bhola. Anginola ngeplayer. Okay. Ukukodwa nje ngepiano enhlizweni yami, uzolisa ingqondo yami, ngingaze smile ebusweni bami. Oh, sexoxa inzina inhliziyo yami, evo wami, ngizibadama wakho zomhlabeni, buka. Angiphethe lutho esandleni. Kepha lesi sikhathi sami uthando lwami, ntokazi. Ingaliyo ndlela inhliziyo yami yashesha ukuphoka. Noma ngithi belodwa nje ikhombisa ukuthanda kanani ngoba ngabe ngiyayifela kwi-infinity. Nginikeza ipeni nephepha ngibhalele ngaye noma ngisacela uvule indlebe ngichazele ngaye. Inhliziyo imthandile nami sengibonile. Engqondweni azenzela angisakhona ukucabanga, ngihlezi ngicabanga yena. Uyisiphithiphithi sesiphalaphala esiphithanise ingqondo yami. Bomalume, ngisacela ngiseleni inkomo sami somthatha bangaze bamthatha. Ngoba yena uyisipho sami somhlaba esivela straight ezulwini. We've got against the love, nothing can come between us. Ubumnandi zenzele umuntu omthandayo ekhethe lapho nengisolani mase ngisithandela. Bazali bami, uma nithi uyecala ukuthanda yena, ngizele nobheke icele anginikudilika tshele ngoba mina naye angeke sihlukane sengamane ngibokhethe matla.
So guys, thank you guys for watching. Nobile bakudle siva nobachele basubscribe.
Oh, kuda mina futhi. Yo. How zisuka lesangigudlekile.
Yazazi empekile.
Ebheke mina phela emokhoma Christmas time.
Yazazi empekile.
That's first thing I did. No.
Few seconds.
Yo.
Malanja bafethu. Infinity Channel.
Yeah guys, this might be the last episode for the year. We'll never know. Thank you guys for watching. You know, Happy New Year if it's the last one. We love you guys.
Can't go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I really
Kulungile.
I'm sure we're in.